My name is Danny Havoc, and I am an American independent professional deathmatch wrestler. I do this because I love to do it, and obviously it's a huge risk every time you go out there. Why I would do this to my body is a question that I've received ever since I began. I guess there's a compulsion in me to shock people. I don't know why, but I'm compelled to seek out that shock value.
Oh! With an elbow drop, Shawn Michaels X off of that screwy thing.
Combat zone wrestling, where the blood flows and we push the fucking limits. We're violent, that's what we do. That's why we're CZW. Otherwise, we'd just be some other promotion.
Hi, my name is Danny Havoc. I'd like to give you the thumbs up. You probably never heard of me.
Drew Gulak challenged Danny Havoc to a no-rope barbed wire match, and in doing so made the biggest mistake of his fucking life.
Out of the unacknowledged hardcore capital of the world, Cylinder, Iowa, he is the Deathmatch Viking, Danny
I have made my name as a deathmatch wrestler. I didn't want to be Bret Hart, and I didn't want to be William Regal. I want to be exactly who I fucking am.
Everywhere around the world is going to remember you forever as one of the best deathmatch wrestlers there ever was.